Ever dreamt of ditching the traditional bank? The one with endless lines, confusing fees, and that feeling you're just another number? Yeah, us too. That's why so many people are looking for alternatives, for a bank that actually works for them. But with all the online options out there, it can be overwhelming. Introducing the problem. Neobanks. Fintech startups. Challenger banks. These are just a few terms thrown around for these new financial players. They all promise a different banking experience, but it's not always clear what that means. Here's the thing, not all online banks are created equal. Some offer basic checking accounts, while others focus on investing or specific financial goals. Introducing Tide. So, where does Tide fit in? Well, Tide isn't your typical online bank. It's actually a mobile-first platform designed specifically for freelancers and small businesses. We understand the unique challenges you face, managing cash flow, separating business from personal finances, and keeping track of everything on the go. Understanding freelancers and small businesses. Let's face it, traditional banks haven't exactly catered to freelancers and small businesses. They often have high minimum balances, complex fees, and loan applications that take forever. They don't get the hustle, the late nights, the constant juggling act. Take Sarah, for example. She's a graphic designer who just went freelance. Sarah loves the freedom and flexibility, but managing her finances is a whole new ball game. She needs a way to easily track income from different clients, pay business expenses, and save for taxes. Plus, she wants a debit card that looks professional, not like a basic checking account. Introducing Tide's features. That's where Tide comes in. With Tide, Sarah can open a free business checking account in minutes, right from her phone. No paperwork, no hidden fees. She gets a sleek debit card with her business name on it, perfect for making client payments. Plus, Tide integrates seamlessly with popular accounting software, so Sarah can easily categorize her income and expenses. Deep dive into features. But that's not all. Here are some features that make Tide a game changer for freelancers and small businesses. Earn early access to your deposited funds. No more waiting days for checks to clear. With Tide, you can access your funds as soon as the next business day. Separate your business from personal finances. Keep your business income and expenses organized and avoid tax headaches. Send and receive instant payments. Get paid faster with free ACH transfers and avoid the hassle of chasing invoices. Pay bills easily. Schedule and pay bills directly from your Tide account, saving you time and keeping your finances on track. Get insights and budget tools. Tide provides helpful analytics to understand your cash flow and make smarter financial decisions. Real people, real results. Don't just take our word for it. Listen to what other freelancers and small business owners are saying about Tide. Cut to short video testimonials from real Tide users talking about the benefits of the platform. Addressing concerns. Now, you might be thinking, is this safe? Security is our top priority. Tide uses industry-standard security protocols and FDIC insurance to protect your money. Plus, we offer features like real-time transaction notifications and the ability to freeze your debit card if needed. Beyond the basics. But Tide is more than just a checking account. We offer additional resources to help freelancers and small businesses thrive. Our blog is packed with helpful articles on topics like business taxes, finding clients, and growing your business. The Tide Community. We also have a vibrant online community where you can connect with other freelancers and entrepreneurs, share ideas, and learn from each other. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your business to the next level, the Tide community is here to support you.